Do you want to maximize your savings on TEMU? In this video, you'll learn how to easily enter a referral code on TEMU and unlock rewards. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the TEMU app and then make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the U button at the bottom center of the screen. Once you are on this page, tap where it says Coupons and Offers. And now you have the ability to enter a coupon code. So go ahead and tap over here, enter your code. And then tap the Apply button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.